Hi there, this is Kai from Nova. Today I will walk you through the process of casting your vote for your stake pool operator to be included into the Atrium Diffusion Basket. Let's go. Head over to vote.atrium.io. This is the official site for the Diffusion Basket voting. Double-check the URL before proceeding to ensure you're on the correct website. Safety first. Connect your wallet once on the site. In the top right corner, you'll see your voting power. This power corresponds to the amount of ADA held in your connected wallet. The more ADA you have, the greater your voting power. You will see 5 proposals on the voting dashboard. Each proposal corresponds to a different stake category based on the amount of ADA staked by pools. These categories range from smaller pools to larger ones. Each proposal includes a description that provides you some information about the voting process. Take a moment to review these descriptions before casting your vote. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find your preferred pool. Pools marked with a star, like Nova, were active testnet supporters and deserve special consideration. You can vote for up to 3 pools in the same category. To include additional pools, write their tickers in the comments section as described in the description. For extra security and transparency, you can vote on-chain by flipping the switch and recording your vote on the Cardano blockchain. This method requires a small transaction fee. If you're using a hardware wallet, on-chain voting is mandatory. You can vote as many times as you like within the voting period. Only your latest vote in a category will count. If you would like to verify your vote, check your wallet's signing data. By casting your vote, you're not only supporting hardworking SPOs, but also shaping the future of decentralized staking on Cardano through Atrium's groundbreaking staking basket. So head over to vote.atrium.io and make your voice heard. If this video has added value to you and you would like to stake too, feel free to come on board. Follow us on X for the latest news about Cardano and our pool. If you have any questions, feel free to join our Discord server.